Listen, the problem is you're thinking way too hard about this. You're studying too much, you're watching too many YouTube videos, you're doing too much research, you're trying to find a solution to a problem, but the issue is you already know the answer. You already know how to do this. What you're not doing, you're not doing it. You're not taking action. And that's the problem, y'all.
It's Philip Edge.
Now, listen, hold on. Before you scroll off of this video, just know this. I am here to help you. My name is everybody's Uncle Phil, and for the past 20 years, I've been helping people just like you who are trying to get to the next level, but for some reason, you found a roadblock. Look, I know the tricks, I know the tips, and I know what you need to do to get past whatever is blocking you. So if you want to know the real answers, hang tight, because I got something specifically for you. Listen, y'all, the problem is not the information that you don't know. The problem is that you're not doing anything with that which you already know. You already know. You just got to do something with it. Knowledge without action is useless. I mean, learning is great. Reading a good book is great. Going to school is great. But at the end of the day, you got to do something with the information that you're taking in. We've heard it said before, knowledge is power, and it is if you apply it. But if you don't apply it, all it is potential. And potential that will be wasted if you don't do anything with it. Now, come on in, listen real close. Stop hiding behind the preparation. Let me say it again for the people in the back. Stop hiding behind the preparation. The truth, the fastest way to learn is by doing. Immerse yourself in the thing. Do it. You'll learn really quickly what works and what doesn't work, but you have to get out there and do it. Some of y'all been practicing way too long. It's game time. Come on, get in the game. And let me go ahead and address this. Perfectionism is just procrastination in disguise. Some of y'all keep on saying, I'm waiting for the perfect time. I'm waiting for the time to be right. The time is never gonna be right, but you still gotta do it. Clarity comes from taking action, not sitting on the sidelines. You're not gonna learn sitting on the sidelines. You're not gonna learn watching everybody else. You got to get in the game. You gotta do something. You wanna change your life really quickly? Put yourself in the fire and see what happens. I guarantee you figure it out. So take action, even messy action. Listen, messy action is better than no action. Messy movement is better than no movement. Make mistakes and adjust as you go, but you will be learning on the entire journey. And that's how real growth happens. Small moves lead to big momentum. It's not about doing the big thing. It's about doing the little things that add up to bigger things. In fact, you don't even need a master plan. You just need a first step, which will lead to a next step. Are you seeing how those things add up? Small moves create big momentum. For those of you who are trying to process what I just said, let me tell you this. Action leads to confidence. When you're doing small things, those small things that you do, it lets you know that I can do it again. And that builds confidence. And that confidence pushes you forward. That's where the momentum comes from. So action builds confidence, and confidence builds more action. So let me ask you, what's the one thing that you can do today to help you build a little more confidence because you're taking action? Or you can just continue doing what you've been doing and getting the same old results. Nothing. Hey, listen, if this video resonated with you, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments box that it's resonating with you. And bigger than that, let me know what you're gonna do so you can take action today. I'll talk to you on the next one.